Aaron's snow throw maintenance kit. Sick! Hi folks, Bobby Hansen here, a local social media influencer. Many of you woke up like I did this morning and saw a little termination dust on your car and were like, oh shit. Being a influencer, I was happy to find a Aaron's snow throw maintenance kit on my doorstep this morning. We're gonna do a little unboxing. Paper. 4-cycle 5W30 oil. Aaron stabilizer. Eliminates ethanol fuel problems. Snow jet. Non-stick polymer treatment. That sounds pretty fancy. And some shear pins. God knows we all need some shear pins. So go down to Equipment Source, get yourself a snow throw maintenance kit for your Aaron's machine, and get ready for this winter. I have fond memories of last winter. And let me tell you, I'm not doing any shoveling anymore. Aaron snowblowers for the win. Let's go, let's go.